Welcome back to the channel where we cover all things AI, content creation, and automation. What if you could make studio-quality videos without filming, editing, or even stepping in front of a camera? AI video generators are making that possible right now, and today, I'll break down the top 5 tools that are saving creators hours and helping them go viral. Stick around. I'll also show you a behind-the-scenes trick I use to turn long blog posts into engaging YouTube shorts with just one click. And there's one tool that blew my mind when I first tried it. One of the tools in this list has a brand new feature that wasn't available last year. Something that could literally replace an entire editing workflow. When we get to that tool, I'll show you exactly how it works and why creators are jumping on it right now. So let's dive in. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 AI video generators incoming for 2026. Whether you're a busy entrepreneur, content creator, educator, or marketer, these tools will help you make professional-looking videos in minutes, not hours. We'll look at what makes each tool unique, real-world examples, who should use what, and how you can turn these tools into income streams. Oh, and at the end, I'll show you how to repurpose videos across platforms automatically. So stay with me. Before we get into the tools, here's a quick story. A few months ago, I spent almost 4 hours editing a 2-minute video in Premiere Pro. Then I used one AI tool from this list and recreated a better version in less than 5 minutes. That was the moment I realized how much time I had been wasting and why these tools matter way more than you might think. So what exactly is AI video generation? It's when artificial intelligence handles the heavy lifting of creating a video, from script to visuals to voiceovers. No camera, no editing software, no crew. You feed it a prompt, or even just text, and the AI generates a full video using stock footage, animations, or even lifelike avatars. This tech isn't just cool. It's a game changer for creators who want to stay consistent without burning out. Let's get into the rankings. The best part is that these tools don't require any kind of learning curve. You don't have to understand editing timelines, color grading, or audio mixing. All you need is a simple text prompt. Think of it like typing out a message, hitting enter and watching a polished video appear seconds later. All right, let's start with the top 5 AI video generators in 2026. Starting with number 1 on the list, Pictory. Pictory turns long-form content, like blog posts or articles, into short, engaging videos. This is perfect if you've got written content and want to turn it into videos for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. What I love? It automatically adds visuals, subtitles, and voiceovers based on your script. For me, I've used Pictory for dozens of faceless YouTube videos. It's honestly one of the easiest tools out there for beginners, and it saves me hours each week. One thing that surprised me is how accurate Pictory's auto-visual matching is. It scans your text and instantly finds relevant clips, way faster than manually digging through stock footage libraries. And if you want even more control, you can upload your own footage or drag in animations from Canva. In just a bit, I'll show you how I combined Pictory with another tool that helped me to create an entire video course without filming a single thing. Even though Pictory is my go-to for speed and automation, it's not the best choice if you want more creative control. And that's why the next tool on this list might actually be better for some of you. If you've ever wished you could tweak every scene, every frame, or every transition, you'll want to see this one. Let's move on to number 2, InVideo. InVideo is for creators who want a drag-and-drop editor feel, but powered by AI. It has over 5,000 templates, and it's perfect for making promos, explainer videos, or even listicle-style content. The best part? It lets you tweak every frame if you want. By the way, when I need more visual control, like for branded content or YouTube intros, I jump into InVideo. It gives you creative freedom without the learning curve. If you like branding consistency, InVideo also lets you create a brand kit, similar to Canva. You just upload your logo, choose your fonts, set your colors, and InVideo applies them across every project automatically. It's perfect for entrepreneurs building a cohesive brand identity across all platforms. But here's where things get interesting, because the next tool solves a completely different problem. Instead of relying on stock footage or templates, it puts an AI presenter right in your video. And if you've been avoiding showing your face, this one might be the missing piece. The realism will surprise you. Coming up, I'll show you which tool gives you realistic avatars that actually talk. Great for training videos or online courses. Up next, number 3, Synthesia. Synthesia is all about AI avatars and voiceovers. You type in your script, and it turns it into a full talking head video, without hiring actors or using your webcam. Perfect for online courses, tutorials, or professional presentations. I've actually built an entire 5-video mini course in Synthesia in one afternoon. And the AI presenter? Super realistic. Remember when I mentioned combining Pictory with another tool? Well, this is the part that ties everything together with Pictory. I used Pictory and Synthesia together to create a full course. I had Synthesia generate the lesson videos with an AI presenter reading my script. Then I cut in Pictory-made B-roll segments, text overlays, and highlight clips on top. The result feels like a professionally edited course, without me recording a single shot on camera. The coolest part about Synthesia is the customization. You can change the avatar, accent, clothing, and even their speaking speed. And if you're camera shy and want a faceless YouTube channel, Synthesia lets you create faceless content without ever recording your voice. As a side note, I'll show you how to make money using these tools, even if you don't sell a product. That's coming up later in the video, so stick around. Now, Synthesia is incredible for tutorials and course content, but what if your main goal is social media reach? What if you want to turn articles or blog posts into scroll-stopping videos automatically? The next tool does that, and honestly, it's a favorite among marketing teams for a reason. Now, number 4, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is great for social media marketers. It converts blog posts into videos automatically using text overlays, music, and dynamic transitions. If you publish regularly and want to squeeze more content out of each article, this is your tool. Lumen 5 has a unique storyboard engine that breaks your article into visual scenes. It's almost like having a creative director sitting beside you, suggesting which lines of text should appear on screen and how to visually emphasize them. But let's say you want something even simpler. Something you can learn in under 10 minutes and use to make clean product videos, slideshows, or testimonials. The final tool on this list is the most beginner-friendly of them all. And even though it's not the flashiest, it's perfect if you want quick wins without a learning curve. Now let's move on to number 5, Animoto. Animoto is beginner-friendly and perfect for product showcases, photo slideshows, or quick social videos. Great for small businesses and solopreneurs. It won't give you advanced control, but it's perfect for fast, polished videos with minimal effort. If you're selling digital products, or even physical ones, Animoto gives you clean, minimal templates that look like polished ads. And once you upload your product images, it arranges them automatically, like a mini commercial. Now that you've seen all 5 tools, here's where things really come together. Because knowing the tools is one thing, but knowing how to make money with them is another. This next part is where you'll see exactly how creators turn these tools into real income streams. All right, moving on to how to make money with these tools and fast. This part's key. You've got the tools. Now let's talk monetization. Let's start with creating faceless YouTube videos. Use Pictory or InVideo to pump out consistent videos around affiliate products. Add Synthesia intros to make them more personal. This works especially well in niches like finance, health, and tech. Next, build and sell a digital product. Create a video course with Synthesia. Use InVideo to make your trailer and promo. You can even use Pictory to make highlight reels to share on Shorts or Instagram. Now for the next idea, client work or freelancing. Use these tools to offer quick video services, product ads, explainers, social clips. Businesses are paying for speed and polish, not Hollywood production. Before we continue, stick around because I'll reveal the exact workflow I use to repurpose one video into 5 pieces of content across platforms. And lastly, here's another angle most people forget: Etsy. People are selling video reels, editable Canva templates with video elements, and even pre-made ad bundles. Using these AI tools, you could create a full pack in a weekend and list it as a digital product. No shipping, no inventory, pure profit. You'll love this next part: my workflow. Using AI tools. Here's how I use all 3 tools together. Step 1. Script it with ChatGPT or WriteSonic. Step 2. Make an avatar-led intro with Synthesia. Step 3. Create the main video with Pictory. Step 4. Customize visuals or make vertical clips with InVideo. Step 5. Publish to YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others. This system helps me stay consistent without burning out. And for keyword research, I lean on Tube Magic. Even though it's marketed for YouTube, it also helps find trending topics and titles across social platforms. Pairing Tube Magic with Pictory means you're not just making videos, you're making videos people are already searching for. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. If you're interested, let me know in the comments if you want to see a full breakdown, where I compare Synthesia with real human editors. You don't want to miss how close the AI is getting. And if you want to take this even further, my next video walks you through how beginners can build a fully automated Etsy digital product store using AI, from designing products in Canva to setting up passive income funnels. It's one of the easiest ways to start earning online right now. See you in the next video.